I'm gonna put a little bit.
Do some single track on the T7, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
It's a cliff. It's so steep. I got
One, two, three. All right. Now hold it there. Don't let it go anywhere.
I got my boot under it. Hold on. One, two, three.
Do you think, what if we just start tilting it up? Is this...
The front's just gonna slide down to the point that your bike's gonna be pointed straight down. And that's just gonna be sketch. Because if that thing rolls 10 feet, we're fucked.
Yeah.
Like here all night fucked.
All right.
Is your bike in neutral?
I'm not sure. Why don't you start to tilt it? I'm just gonna prevent the front from going down.
Okay.
Can you start to lift it upright?
Yeah.
Now, you hold it. You got it?
Yep. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. All right, good. Now, is it on?